So, hello and welcome to weekly analysis, the forever model, part 5, or just week January 29th till February 2nd. And yeah, let's hop right into it. So, as you can see, we have a lot of news this week, and let's just go over the week real quick. So, on Monday, we have no news, and that means I will trade normally. Then on Tuesday, we have CB consumer confidence. I don't know what that means, but it's a high impact news day. And oh, what the fuck. I wrote down I won't trade, but I actually will trade. Because I don't trade on those news events, CPI, FOMC, NFE and bank holiday. But since I trade the forever model, I also trade on all those news events just with more caution, and I still don't trade the bank holiday. So ADP non-farm employment change we had on Wednesday, then FOMC statement, FOMC press conference. All those events are at 2 and 2:30, so before session open, so I don't really mind them. Then Thursday we had unemployment claims and ISM manufacturing PMI. And then on Friday we had again NFE, unemployment rates and revised UOM consumer sentiment. And the technical overview, I don't have it. So then let's hop right into the charts or into the backtesting. So we'll start with January 29. So I changed my layout from well, I'll just delete this so it's clean. It triggers me. So wait. So I changed my layout from like this TGR layout to Justin Wireline layout, so black, and I really like it. So on the 4 hour, so we had manipulation on the 4 hour time frame. So we had manipulation right here. Moved up and then saw a sell-off, and yeah, I don't know if that really was manipulation. I need to look at the 1 hour. Then on the 1 hour, yeah, it looked like manipulation, just consolidation, and then move up. It's not really manipulation because we haven't moved out of the range yet, so it's not confirmed, but it looks like that it is manipulation. And my bias was bearish, and I don't know why. And don't get irritated by that. That's just I don't know. I do backtesting with forex replays, and it was just lagging a little bit. Yeah. We had a CME gap, but it got filled, so I don't really mind that too. Then what I see is we have a bearish fair value gap getting respected, and yeah, that confirms that this move wasn't just consolidation, and it was more than just consolidation, like a little manipulation move. So what happened? I did took a trade, like I see. So what happened? Again, my backtesting is so bad. No, not my backtesting, but my taking notes. I really need to take myself more time for that, so I can review it. It's really important. So what's that? That's the 1 minute. So the high I marked out is this one. So we came down, took out this low, made turtle soup. We're currently in uptrend, also on the high time frames. Or no, we were consolidating. Yes, sure. And yeah, we moved further up and created new all-time highs with that, I think. That's just something that happens a lot to me. I want to see market retrace, but then I focus too much on the market wanting to retrace, and I forget to look at what the market is giving me. And on that day, like if we zoom in on this chart a little bit, I know it's a little blurry, but we can see that price action tries multiple times to dip through that dip dip, dip, but we just can't. We can't break through that range. Then we sweep it one last time, and then we move up. So that could have been my long entry right here. And there was liquidity on the opposing side, like this one, this one, this one, this one. So yeah, kind of sad that I missed out on that, but we're here to learn. And yes. So what did I write down? I wrote down what went well. I got completely cooked. I don't know what happened. I just didn't saw any bias. Okay. So what went well? Nothing basically. And what can I improve? Practice. And that's true. So let's move on to first day. So on first day, like we discussed in the beginning, we had CB consumer confidence and Jolt job opening. I think I will skip that from now on. Like like the weekly analysis, I will just show you it real quick, like when I will trade Monday, Tuesday, and basically I will always nearly trade every day, so it doesn't really matter. But I'll just show it for the weekly bias or just the weekly overview. So then the 4 hour, we're currently sitting in a, oh wait, that's a new day, okay. So on the new day, I look at the daily. On the daily, we still have the fair value gaps below us that are still open, but I do not see a reason to continue lower or higher right now. Market's just doing its thing, and I don't really know where it wants to go. Wow. So on the 4 hour, I wrote down we're currently sitting in a 4 hour fair value gap. Because we're in a 4 hour fair value gap and we have still that high and that high that we could take out, and there's also a high time frame SMT, like Nasdaq is below this high and ES isn't, so that's a bullish SMT for ES, and I would be willing to take it long if we see confirmation to the upside, but we really need confirmation to the upside. So my daily bias was bullish. I want to see probably go lower first before entering long. Yeah, that's not right. So what we can see here right now is consolidation. Then now we're going down, and if I'm right, then this will be a manipulation move and we will go up again. But I don't know where the manipulation move will go to. Like we could also do a turtle soup, take out this low or this low or this low, and then start moving up. Yeah. But I don't see any manipulation to the downside, so I'm still confident that the move that the market wants to do is a bullish move. So then on the 1 hour, then I didn't took a trade, but let's look at the price action that happened today. So on Nasdaq, we just sold off, and we nearly took out this low, or we did took out this low. So yeah, no trade for me if I look at it, because, or maybe here no trade, because where was I supposed to enter? Like maybe off of this high, but that's late in the evening and I don't really look at the charts at that time. So yeah, no trade. I'm glad I didn't took a trade. And yeah, what went well, I didn't took a trade today because I didn't saw a good setup. Perfect. That's something I need to learn, and that I'm currently learning. And what can I improve? Everything. I don't know what I'm doing actually. Yeah, I think I was knowing what I was doing. I think I were. Wow, what the fuck? English is so complicated. Yeah, but I'm glad I didn't took a trade. So let's hop to January 31, the last day of January. So Wednesday, multi-time frame analysis. So the daily time frame. So on ES, No, on Nasdaq, we're sitting in the daily fair value gap. We retraced lower. We did consolidate a little bit before making a move. So for me, we're still in an uptrend, and that's just healthy. How is it called? A healthy retracement. Yeah. Then on the 4 hour, same shit. 4 hour fair value gap. What we can see here though is like we dip into fair value gap and immediately get out of it. That's bullish. That means there were a lot of orders here, and it quickly got rejected. So my daily bias was bullish. Price action looks very bullish. I need to look at the smart time frame to get a good entry. Plus we have an SMT. So do we have an SMT? Yeah, we have one. So we're sitting in the 4 hour fair value gap. That's a manipulation move. So I could be looking for longs, but market could also pull lower if I see that. So what we did is we consolidated before session open, manipulated market to the upside, moved down, and here made an internal manipulation again. That's the 1 hour, so probably was a nice manipulation move. We manipulated here and here, so it's on 2 different times. Plus we had a bullish SMT, so I would be looking forward to take a trade on Nasdaq. Let's see what I did. Okay, what did I do? Okay, so what did I do? So this is my trade. We made turtle soup. Did we get a change in the state? I can't really see it. Wait, let me zoom in. Down, up. That's here. Yeah, we probably got the change in the state. So a reasonable entry. Let's see if I think I got stopped out. Yeah, we did. And yeah, that just happens. I think we got stopped out because if we look at here on ES, we got a big move up, and probably this was like this liquidity, lot of liquidity resting there. It was like this high, and we took it out and then just continued the downtrend. So what went well? Everything went fucking wrong. I don't get it. What can I improve? I don't fucking know. I don't know too what I could have done better here. Because I don't know. Market just also looks bullish to me now. If you know what I could have done better, just write it down in the comments. But yeah. But I think something I ignored was bearish order flow getting accepted right here, like on this 4 hour candle. I think that could have changed my bias, because there's clearly a rejection of bullish order flow. And yeah, also on the 1 hour, here you can see that's the high that got swept to make the move to the downside. Yeah, and we tried it also here on ES. We tried to go up multiple times, got rejected, and then probably made one move down to take out those nearly equal highs and then move down. So I can see where this bearish thing comes from. So then February 1st, daily time frame. So we moved down further from yesterday. Now we're in a daily inefficiency on ES and Nasdaq. So here now I really would be looking for longs, because high time frame, and yeah, it just looks nice. Then what I can see is that we're currently manipulating market. So we're manipulating the market by going down, just like it looks like a sell model, a buy model to me. So I would be still looking for longs. Then on the 1 hour, so I'm seeing bearish model play into bullish higher time frame model, and I think that the higher time frame model, there's now a smaller time frame model where I probably take my trade off. So our higher time frame model is bullish, and we made a bearish model right here. No, we make another bullish model right here to probably continue the trend. That was my thought. And then, so I just want to see confirmation to the upside to take a trade. So we hit turtle soup here, and here equal high lows probably want to get taken out. We dipped into a 50-minute fair value gap, and here we didn't dip yet, but so I want to see a change in the state now. But I always wait a few minutes because session open is really volatile. So what did I do? What did I end up doing? Here we got the change in the state. I entered. I don't know why I entered on this index. I should have entered on this one probably, because that one just gives me more confirmation, or I don't know. Move up, move down. Okay. Results. So we got stopped out by tick. Sucks. For this day too, I don't know what I could have done better, because my bias was right, my models were right, market eventually ended up doing what I thought of. For me, that's just I don't know. It just corrected like crazy. It nearly corrected the entire move up. And I also don't want to like enter the market. Probably, maybe I should wait for a sweep of the New York lows, or yeah. But I don't know. I mean, we took out New York lows here. I don't really know. If you have any ideas again, please write them down in the comments. So what went well? My bias for the day was more than right, but I didn't know how to execute on the market like this. Like the market is doing fake out after fake. Excuse me. So the market is doing fake out after fake out. It's like the models are working against themselves, and I don't know how to trade that shit. Yeah, that's true, because like if you look at this again, like we got a sweep here, sweep to go lower, to go up, confirm bias, go lower, to go higher, to go lower. What the fuck? Also here, go higher, confirm, go lower, then don't take out, don't confirm, just we got stopped here at this turtle soup, take it out, go up, make a change in the state, confirm, to go lower. So we sweep out that liquidity. So wait, from the beginning, we take out. Let's look at this here. So first we take out that liquidity here to the upside to go lower, to then go higher, and here the same thing. We take out that liquid. So I realized something. So what I know that Justin Werlin usually does is he marks out those external and he marks like the sell side and buy side liquidity, and maybe that's something I should start doing too, because if I had that, like I would wait for a liquidity to get taken out. I probably would have still ended up taking a trade here, but no, because it was, we could discuss this forever. But I'll start doing that and see how it goes. But that's really common, like market sweeps, to go lower, to go higher, to then go lower, to go even higher. So like that's a model inside the model, and I need to get better at spotting this. So then February 1st, 2nd, last day, Friday. So the 4 hour fair value gap retracement on the 4 hour. We made a change in the state on the 4 hour. That's nice, that's bullish. So I just expect market to rebalance a little more maybe and then go up. And on the 1 hour, consolidation, no manipulation, but we still went down. That's an unhealthy move. So I expect it to be a fake out to go higher. What did we do? We went lower. We made manipulation here. We consolidated, moved down, and moved down, manipulated the market, and then made a change in the state. And we got a bullish SMT in play. So I didn't took the trade here on the leading index because I don't know how I should have taken the trade here, because we manipulated here and we didn't create a lower low, so there is basically no change in the state. The change in the state happened here. So that's why I took the trade here. And the trade worked out like perfectly. And here again, moved up. We didn't have enough liquidity, consolidated, moved down. That just makes me happy to see that that's how the market moves. It's just consolidation, manipulation, distribution. That's the three things that the market does. And this day made me really happy because, I don't know, it's just wow. Yes. What went well? The trade worked out perfectly. Yeah, that's a textbook trade, not gonna lie. And what can I improve? I think I realized what I could do better before entering a trade. So it has even higher confluence. I need to wait for internal manipulation. So basically, then I'm trading a model in a model in a model. And yeah, just wait for the approval of the market. That's true. So like I said on the February 1st again, like I need the model to have a bias, that I need a model to manipulate to the downside that generates like, it's too complicated, I can't explain it. Wait, can I draw it? Wait, let's hop on TradingView. So here, let's just hop here. How is it called? Yeah, I think this one. No, that's fucking weird. Who uses that for trading? Not gonna lie. Where? Here. Strahl? No. Yeah, fuck it. I'll just use a brush. Okay. Okay. So imagine that being the high time frame. Looks really bad. Oh wait, we need here to move down. Yeah. So that's on the high time frame. And now we started to. Oh my days. Wait, I'll draw it new. I'll redraw it. So high time frame, we have bam, 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 and now consolidation, move down. So what we have here is a model. Wait, yeah, okay, no, that's fine. So we have a model. That's a bullish model here, like this one. Sweep, go up, and then here's a bearish model. But the bearish model is just here to go lower, to take out the low here, to move further up. So that's how a healthy retracement should look like. And that's what I wanted to show you. Did I leak something? No. So yeah, I hope you learned something. I learned a lot, and that's my balance. It's not simulated. It is simulated. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and goodbye.